Hi, my name is Alea de Castro. I am the co-founder of Moov Ottawa Dance, and we are mask artists. With Mask, we offer shows and workshops within street dance, hip-hop, house, waacking, Afrobeats, and popping. It's important for me to share these stories to continue the legacy of the originators, to continue talking about the stories, and to share with a new generation. I love going to schools because we're able to bring street and club dance to these spaces that are usually not accessible to kids. It's in a digestible manner, it's in informal spaces, and it's still fun. Our workshops start off with a little bit of culture and the historical background, introduce that to the kids. We have a warm-up, and then we give dance moves to the kids that they can actually digest. One of my favorite things about our workshops is that we get to have a cipher at the end, and it basically brings all the kids and even the teachers sometimes into a circle, and we allow the kids to participate on their own level, and they get to try the dance moves, they get to freestyle and really enjoy the music without feeling constrained.